My name is Honorable Dr. Daniel Kanchori. I take this opportunity to address a very pressing matter and a sad issue that is bedeviling and affecting our people from the larger Kajiado West constituency in Kajiado County, specifically Magadi Ward and Mosiro Ward. We have a serial rapist by the name Lorgali, who has terrorized our women and girls for an entire 1 year now without action from the government. We've had the Interior Minister, Honorable Murkomen, giving an expired ultimatum for his arrest and production, whether alive or dead. And until now, the 7 days have turned into months. We've had very senior government officers and state officers visiting Kajiado. We've had the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and just the other day, that is yesterday, we had His Excellency the President William Ruto. And this matter has not been prioritized. And the women of Magadi and Mosiro have resorted into demonstration, which the security apparatus have now moved to deny them their constitutional mandate to demonstrate. As an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and a leader in this county, we are now demanding for an operation, arrest Lorgali dead or alive, by the government. We cannot purport to take our officers to Haiti while our women are being terrorized by one single rapist. The county commissioner for Kajiado County, the county commandant, and all the security apparatus to immediately convene a security meeting and within 48 hours give a progress report. We want Lorgali dead or alive. Otherwise, we are going to organize unspecified action to ensure that the government takes charge. Thank you very much.